and welcome to my Finnish lesson. Today we will learn how to talk about languages in Finnish. Let's get started. In Finnish, if a country name and a language name are the same, we use the same word for both. The only difference is capitalization. Country names are capitalized, but language names are not. For example, Suomi with a capital S means Finland, country. Suomi with a lowercase s means the Finnish language. When talking about languages, you often use the verb puhua, which means to speak. In that case, you say minä puhun, I speak, and then add the language name with a or a at the end. For example, minä puhun suomea means I speak Finnish. But if you use the verb onna, means to be, you don't add letter a or a with umlaut at the end. For example, minun äidinkieli on suomi. My mother tongue is Finnish. So, I speak Finnish uses puhua with suomea, and my mother tongue is Finnish uses onna with suomi. Let's look at some languages. Nordic languages. Suomi, Suomi, suomea, Finnish. Ruotsi, Ruotsi, Ruotsia, Swedish. Norja, Norja, Norjaa, Norwegian. Tanska, Tanska, Tanskaa, Danish. Islanti, Islanti, Islantia, Icelandic. Other European languages. Viro, Viro, Viroa, Estonian. Saksa, Saksa, Saksaa, German. Ranska, Ranska, Ranskaa, French. Iso-Britannia, Englanti, Englantia, English. Espanja, Espanja, Espanjaa, Spanish. Asian and African languages. Japani, Japani, Japania, Japanese. Kiina, Kiina, Kiinaa, Chinese. Filipiinit, Tagalog, Tagalogia, Tagalog. Vietnam, Vietnam, Vietnamia, Vietnamese. India, Hindi, Hindia, Hindi. Thaimaa, Thai, Taita, Thai. Well, the ending is ta here. Egypti, Arabia, Arabiaa, Arabic. Etelä-Afrikka, Englanti, Englantia, English. South Africa has 12 official languages, but we will just say English here. Kenya, Swahili, Swahilia, Swahili. English is also an official in Kenya. American languages. Yhdyspannat, englanti, englantia, English. Kanada, englanti, englantia, English. Ranska, ranskaa, French. Mexico, Espanja, espanjaa, Spanish. Brasilia, Portugali, Portugalia, Portuguese. Hyvä. Next time we will learn about verb type 1 verbs in positive sentences. Nähdään!